The lady said today on the aircraft that she don't have enough money for the funeral where she go down for, because the man will charge her for come ball at the funeral price gone up.
3 grand sing, 5 grand sing and ball, 7 grand sing ball and roll.
So I'm confused. I said, what do you mean? She said, yes, she never knew him have different prices for balling.
And when the coffin I go down there, I got to have use clapper and dig me off 10 grand.
So if him need her for drop and roll, the price go up. If him need for hang on the coffin and go on with all sort of things, and more money for that.
At a round town price. Country price now 5 grand sing, 7 grand sing and ball and roll, 10 grand sing ball and roll coffin. When I go down.
So what she say? Ball and roll, drop and roll. People tell me this is not true. Tell me say people that are Jamaica are pay people for come a funeral and ball.
Is a dead? Call me.
Because